The years following the emergence of oil as Nigeria's chief revenue earner effectively relegated agriculture into an endangered species of some sort. Little wonder then that the country once renowned for its groundnut pyramids and cocoa mansions is now struggling to feed its own people. Bamidele Ajayi has a report focusing on palm oil production, which has used to be the mainstay of the economy of the old eastern region.
At the height of its dominance as the world's largest producer of oil palm, Nigeria boasted producing about 600 metric tons of its product annually, which accounted for between 32 to 40% of global output. Today, the picture is sharply different. Nigeria now imports oil palm to meet its local consumption despite currently, about 1.2 million tons are produced annually in the country, but not sufficient enough to meet the local consumption of about 200 million people. To reverse the situation will require strategic action. Oil palm trees grow in Nigeria with various depths of between 100 in coastal areas and 150 miles in the riverine part, which follows the valley of the river Niger and Benue from a distance of 450 miles from the sea. Naturally, it is in this area that the production of oil palm is located. The main palm oil producing states are located in today's south-south and southeast regions of Nigeria. The product is one of the most consumed food items, with its use also applicably industrially. A World Bank report of 2016 ranked Nigeria as one of the 5 major producers of palm oil, while Malaysia leads the pack with its 30 million metric tons of its annual production, Indonesia with 18 million metric tons, and Thailand, followed by Colombia, makes the remaining. Nigeria's poor performance is attributed to the use of obsolete variety of farm implement and overaged trees, which contributed to the stagnant position of the country's agri-production. Since the discovery of crude oil in the 70s, Nigeria's agriculture production has ceased to contribute to the world palm oil exports, except palm kernel. The gap of 2.32 metric tons is blamed on the neglect and inability to upscale its production. Use of palm oil fruits to extract edible oil has been in practice for centuries, which remain one of the most essential ingredients in cuisine across West Africa. Currently, 80% of Nigerian output comes from scattered smallholders spread across an estimated 1.6 million hectares of land. In contrast, plantations occupy only about 300,000 hectares, most of which are privately owned. Analysts believe that Nigeria should think of improving productivity and not encourage dumping. They also believe there is need to share information on the sector to refocus attention on oil palm production and highlight the potential for boosting the Nigerian economy by concentrating on the enterprise dynamics.
So many people are even going into the oil palm production without human capacity. They don't even understand, the rudiments of the oil palm productions.
And therefore I've done a lot of research. They have improved seedlings now that we have access to. They give us this training that we did so badly, and with the necessary funding that will go down to the farmers directly, because oil palm is a perennial crop. It's a golden crop. It keeps on giving you money for the next 30-35 years. So the plantations are there. Even when you have a fire outbreak, the tree is so rugged that after 6 months you will not believe that the fire outbreak there.
Cynthia Egodi, the oil palm farmer who has been in the business for about 4 decades, analyzes the prospects and challenges local farmers face in the business. The mother of 5 who used the oil palm production to train her children in schools lamented the decline in the oil palm yield due to aging trees, lack of modern farm implements for cultivation. Same apply to Israel and Agolum, a palm oil miller at Ogulog Olo in Eziago local government area of Enugu State, recounting the challenges ranging from poor power supply to low farm yields.
I know when Subuni Basaria. Subani webinar machine Aija Rolo at the here north. And Uzo Aija Bupumana Meche Ayuros on Abai.
Among notable factors that encourage its farmers is the access to farm sites. Here the youth took it upon themselves to fix the road leading to their community.
Because my community, Golo, to have farmland that is fertile, that produce good things. We can lift from Ogro down to Nkwaganolo, from Nkwaganolo down to 90 Mile. That's why we youth of Golo, which I am the secretary, will have a meeting and we'll conclude that I will start this road.
Why others are talking about criminalities, becoming bandits, scooping money from government, this one said no, we want to put the little ones from our head-end income on the ground for our own community.
The neglected palm oil, which is one of the major sources of the country's earning in the 50s, gave resettling to Malaysia and Singapore that now dominate the world in the oil palm produce.
With this number of years we've lost, initially what we take from palm is the oil, the palm kernel, but all the parts of palm tree is money. That today, even the logs, if you fail any palm tree, the logs are being used to do, produce table. So there's nothing in palm that is a waste. Research has come up with that, and many countries are doing that. All we need to do is to go back to the basics and use the new improved seedlings we have now.
Available data put Nigeria's fatty oil consumption at about 3 times of its production ratio in 2018. Yet with 1.34 metric tons, Nigeria is Africa's largest consumer of palm oil. Right now, Nigeria is struggling to find its feet in the soil where palm kernel trees ought to be planted, nurtured, and their harvest extracted for the much needed oil.
Soil, not palm kernel. We are collaborating with NIFO, and what you get from them is a tenera. Tenera gives more oil than other species. If you can see the seedlings, you see that it have a tiny seed. So this one gives us more oil, and that's what even the people that plant, who had the vision of this plantation, that's what they use, and we have seen the benefit. We have seen the age of the plantation, but it is still producing. Because of the species, it is still producing. Not minding that we are having some challenges, but we are getting more than, if we are time of season, we get up to 60 bunches, 800 bunches in a day.
Nigeria Port Authority (NPA) and Nigeria Aviation Handling Company (NACO) 2019 report says that about 90% of goods and cargo planes and containers that entered Nigeria that year went home empty due to low patronage of export capacity. Experts have the view that if government will encourage local production of agri-produce like rice, maize, millet, rubber, cotton, even palm oil, will encourage production. This can be done. The Nigerian Institute of Oil Palm Research must be revitalized, and the modern method must be introduced to give Nigerians the competitive edge it once had in the Committee of Oil Palm Producing Nations. Bamidele Ajayi, TVC News, Enugu.